In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with images in Google Docs. This skill can be incredibly useful, whether you're preparing documents for business presentations, school projects, or simply enhancing a personal document with visual elements. Let's dive into the process step by step. Firstly, you want to make sure that you're logged into your Google account and have Google Docs opened. This can be done by heading to docs.google.com on your browser. Once there, open an existing document or create a new one by clicking on the plus button. It's important to have your document ready before you begin inserting images, as it provides you with the context for where the visuals will fit best. Once your document is ready, decide where you would like to place your image. Position your cursor in the text area. This serves as the exact spot where your image will appear. Now go ahead and navigate to the toolbar at the top and click on Insert. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, move your cursor to the Image option, which will open a sidebar where you have various options for adding images. You can upload an image directly from your computer by clicking on Upload from Computer. This is particularly useful if you already have the image saved on your device. Alternatively, if the image you need is stored somewhere else, like Google Drive or Google Photos, you can select those respective options to access your files. Having a reliable connection to the internet is pivotal here, as images from cloud storage will need to be quickly retrieved. If you don't already have an image prepared, Google Docs also offers an option to search for an image directly via the web or your past searches. This built-in functionality can be a quick way to find just the right image without leaving your document. Make sure the image you select is of good quality and appropriate for the content of your document. Once you've selected your image, it will appear in your document where your cursor was placed. Now, you might want to adjust the size and position of the image to make it fit seamlessly with your document text. Clicking on the image will reveal a blue border around it, which allows you to resize the image. Simply click and drag the corners to maintain its aspect ratio while resizing. After resizing, you may need to fine-tune the image's positioning. Click on the image to view the alignment options, which are neatly located on the toolbar. You can choose to align your image to the left, center, or right. Moreover, you can opt for text wrapping options like wrap text, break text, or keeping it inline to ensure the text flows around the image in a visually pleasing manner. Adding a personal touch or emphasis might be needed for some images, and Google Docs allows you to add a border or shadow effect. Simply click on the image options in the toolbar and explore the customization settings they offer. This feature is fantastic for making sure your document looks polished and professional. And that's it. You've now mastered the basics of working with images in Google Docs. Go ahead and experiment with different images to see how they can enhance your documents further. With these tips, you'll be creating stunning, visually effective documents in no time.